Secret NASA experiment confirms 500 BC chakra teachings. How you can activate your internal wealth DNA to attract money to you effortlessly starting as soon as today. This is simply DNA that hasn't been activated yet. And the experiment sending the identical twin Mike Kelly to space proved that you can activate your DNA. In fact, it spawned a whole new scientific phenomenon that's becoming more and more mainstream. It's called epigenetics, which is just the scientific term for changes that happen to your body when certain genes are either activated or deactivated. So at this point, it's been scientifically proven that you can in fact activate DNA. And thanks to the NASA experiment, we now know that the 92% of DNA that scientists used to call junk DNA isn't junk DNA at all. It's just DNA that's waiting to be activated. Makes sense, right? Why would our bodies have all this DNA if we could only use 8% of it? But here's the part that nobody is talking about. Our DNA is really just a fancy scientific term for our chakras. In case you don't know what chakras are, they are just energy centers inside your body. Humans have known about chakras, our energy centers, since at least 500 BC. And knowledge of chakras has gained popularity in modern times, mostly thanks to the emergence of yoga. But what almost no one is talking about is our original 12 strands of human DNA. Connect to our 12 chakra points. You see, there are really two types of DNA: physical DNA and spiritual DNA. And the simplest way to put it is chakras are our spiritual DNA. Why is this important? Because chakras, our spiritual DNA, is where our wealth DNA is located. And the secret NASA experiment proved that we could activate this spiritual DNA. I don't know if you know anything about chakras. But as I mentioned a second ago, it's commonly believed for centuries that the root chakra is responsible for wealth. Well, science is now proving what Eastern teachings have been saying since at least 500 BC. That we do, in fact, possess wealth DNA. It just hasn't been activated in 99% of humans alive today, but if you are able to activate your wealth DNA as the secret NASA experiment proves is possible, you will never have to worry about money again. It will just flow into your life effortlessly. And it will almost feel like a higher power is sending you amazing money-making opportunities that involve little to no work. On the surface, it will seem like a coincidence most of the time. But eventually, you recognize that there's something else at work here.